Hey, it's Travis from UTV Window Tint. Today we got a 25 Can-Am Defender with the factory window tint. So you could see that the rear window tint is a little bit darker than this front window tint. I get a lot of questions on what would make this match. So what we're going to do today is we have a tint meter. We're going to slip this over the top of the windows and we're going to show you what the front is and what the rear is. And then we're going to show you what you would need to get to make these match pretty close. So we're going to slip this tint meter over the top. And on these rear windows, it reads out at 14.8%. And on these front windows, it's actually reading out at a 55%. So with that being said, what we would need to do is get out our calculator. We're going to take 5.5 and times it by the film we want to put over the top of it. So I think we would put a 35% over the top of it, gets us to 19.2%. And that'd be within 3 to 4% of these, which is going to make it really close. So today, this customer wants these to match. We're actually going to tint these with a 35% film. And then after, we'll show you how close this is and how well it matches. And we'll actually do a reading afterwards and show you what that looks like. All right, so I just got done tinting this. So this had factory rear tint here. It had the light tint here. The newer machines, they just announced the Can-Am 26s are now gonna be that same way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add this to our website. It's gonna be this window, this window, this window on both sides in the 35%. You can get it in carbon, ceramic, or Apex for the heat rejection. And it's going to match front to rear. So now this is about a 14%. This is about like a 18, 19%. So you can see how close they look. It completes the look of this machine. So these are available for your do-it-yourselfers at UtvWindowTint.com. Check it out. These kits will be updated and on there. The pricing is going to be amazing. So check it out.